Hey guys, Will Kemp here with Lightspeed Construction. Fred and I are up here working on a TPO patch on top of last days of autumn here in Knoxville near downtown. And what we are doing is cutting out a corner that has some pretty serious sagging in it. There's been a leak going on here for quite a while, and it's beginning to seep down into the building. So what we're discovering now is some bad fiberboard that is underneath. It's real spongy. As you can see, when I step on it, there's just water squishing out like crazy, and it's not a good thing. So anyway, here's what can happen. You let a leak go on for longer than you should. It will definitely begin to spread. We're about 8 feet back right here, and it's a puddle.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a glimpse at a leaky TPO roof and some bad underlayment, and we'll have another section on here with a repair going on, what we do to intend to fix this. So anyway, thanks for your time, and come see us again. Will Kemp, Lightspeed Construction.